For replacing the chain, we have to find the master link. Master link is one of the links that is removable. And if you see here, it's master link. For opening the master link, you can hook this metal on that, then use this tool for removing the master link. Let's slowly push. And as you see, the master links pops off. This is master link. After you put new chain, you can use a master link for connecting two sides of the chain. Some of the master links has an arrow on that you have to put the arrow on the direction of chain. That's something like this. But this master link is unidirectional and you can use on both ways. So you put master link one side here, another side this way, like this. Then you can put you can put it like this. And then you can pull both sides and see that with the click sound it's go to the right position. If you don't have this hook, also you can do that. I show you again, if you don't have hook, how you can manage that. You put one side of master link and keep it with your finger. Then you can put other side of master link. Put the pin in the hole and then pull both sides of the chain. You can hear a click sound like this, and then it's good to go. It's good to go and you can use that.